project right here was one of the longest projects because the customer ordered a lot of them and it had a whole lot of stitches. I was really nervous for this design, so I didn't even, do a normal tutorial that I do. But here is an 11 by 13 sheet. I was able to fit 4 of these designs on there. They're 4 inches plus the border, which makes it just a little over 4 inches. I did a handful right there. I did that one right there, and then I did a whole other, another sheet. But if you guys can look at the details in this design, I mean, it's not super detailed, but the part that makes it hard is all this stuff had to fit within 4 inches of space. That's 6 people. 6 people. The only features I had to take away were like the, some of them have their tongue sticking out, and I had to take away each individual finger because that's how it kind of was on the original. But as you guys can see up close, each one of these came out great. Well, I mean, I think so, but if you guys think so, definitely tell so by leaving a review in the comments below, subscribing to my page, and even better, by shopping with me. So thank you guys for watching this video. Now it's time for me to edit it. I gotta cut these out, actually package them up and get them off to my customer, and I got a bunch more orders that just came through as I was working on these. So cheers to more work. Thank you guys for watching and shopping with me.